All right,
Where
we're
am I?
gonna do a little stretch.
Okay.
Opening up our hip flexors. We're gonna start off with some hamstrings.
Okay.
We'll do
I'm so
hamstrings,
tight back in here.
adductors. Uh-huh. Whew. Whew. What up, fam? As you can see, I got my mom here today. Say hey.
Hey.
We're gonna get a good leg workout in today, y'all. We might finish with some core. Okay. Just getting some mobility in right now.
Stay on the same leg with you. I feel that all back behind here.
Yep.
Back behind my leg.
Pulse. Up.
Oh, wide open.
You gotta open the hips.
When I'm down, I'm pushing. I'm supposed to be pushing
Yep.
out, right?
Yep.
What?
Donkey kick.
Oh,
Squeeze the glute. I'm gonna do 9.
okay. Now I gotta get over.
Just start. So as of lately, I've been starting off with hamstrings just to isolate them, because I feel like the back of my legs I've been neglecting. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking to
Oh,
you.
you talking to me? I'm sorry. Yeah, no, I got
We
you.
talking.
Okay.
First of all, let me.
I was just looking to make sure you were positioned right in the camera. Perfect shot. And that's working the back of the hamstring.
The hamstrings.
The hamstrings.
Yep. This is just a warm up set.
Girl, that hurt the top of my thighs.
But you want a good stretch though.
Whew.
Good. Squeeze. Control. There you go. 5. Yeah. Now, how that feel?
Like I can barely walk again.
Watch out.
Oh, I'm
When
sorry.
You hit him.
I'm sorry.
10. 11. 12. 13. Ooh. 14. One more.
All right. Way to power through.
10. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. One more. Control. Up, 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 up. Squeeze as much as you can. And then fight it. Fight it, fight it, fight it. Going back down. Fight it, going back down.
Oh my God. Wow.
This is plate, dime, nickel. Let's go. Light work.
Light work. Yes, it is. Knock it out. Knock it out. You got that. Power on up there. Power on up. Up, 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 up. Get up there.
You want a quarter on?
Oh, Lord. Ain't got no other choice but to put a quarter on now.
Like you told me. Ain't no weight's gonna stop you. Control that weight. Up, 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 up.
Shucks.
Chest. Sit those hips back.
Why the heck do I keep getting dizzy like that?
There you go. Up, 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 up. Yeah, there we go. Way to keep the chest tall, hips back.
Oh my God.
Right into it. Right into it. Control, control, control. 8, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. Pop up, pop up, pop up, pop up, pop up. Boom, rack. Good.
Shoot.
You see how better this machine helps you with your form rather than the free weight
Yeah.
with the squats? Yeah.
Yeah.
This will help until we can get that range of motion in the hips and the ankles. That way you can get, a little bit deeper on the free weights.
Whew. Oh, dang. Okay. Lord have mercy. What was that?
15. Bring him in. All right.
Ooh.
All the way down. There you go. Can you push?
Oh,
Rack
shoot.
out. All right.
Is that
relax.
it?
Yeah. Relax. Relax. Now relax. All right.
Shoot. Them legs say nope.
Yeah, you gotta go a little deeper than that.
This is still tough. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, that's still tough.
It's tough, but you can do it.
Like my toes are. Oh my gosh.
Come on. Right there. Up, up. There you go. There you go.
Oh, I'm getting a cramp in my foot.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Woo. Woo. Ah. Woo.
Lay her down. Lay her down. Pimp in distress.
I got a cramp in my doggone foot.
Cramp. I know how that feels. Like,
This hurts.
you been hydrating?
Yeah. And this is my second one I done filled up on here. I probably need a hydration pack or like a Gatorade or something with some electrolytes or something in it.
Just get you some pink salt.
You know what? I got some in my car.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yep. Yep.
Ooh.
I gotta get the regular barbell squats. This is the queen of queens. Yeah. The queen of queens, my favorite movement. This and deadlifts. Squats and deads.
Oh, okay. All right, knock it out.
Core tight. Power up. 2. Right. Just a quick little 2.
Huh?
I said just a quick little 2 I needed to do. You want to try 35?
You try 35.
All right, first time trying 115.
All right, just 2 reps. I can do 2 reps.
All right. Ready? Core
Yep.
tight. I got you. Hips back. Drive up, drive up. Good. Got one more?
Okay.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Gotta keep that chest out. And right.
Yeah, that's tough there.
Yeah, you see how you fold forward.
I fall forward on that.
It's all in your core.
Yeah.
Core, and I'm retracting my shoulders back. Back. Even when we coming back up.
Yeah.
Shoulders are retracted. If you can tell when you round them off, they're not retracted no more. You want to keep them back. Keep that chest. Watch it. You gotta keep that chest out. Shoulders retract. Back. Back.
That's what I come. I be trying.
When you come back up, fold it. You lose the form. You gotta keep the shoulders back. And as of lately, I've been trying not to use my belt so much to really help me engage my core even more. But since I'm already fatigued, I ain't gonna try it.
Okay. You said you're already in fatigue?
I said, yeah, since my legs are pretty much fatigued now.
You got that right.
This is just for safety right here, safety purposes. Like,
hey, up there. Rack 'em, rack 'em, rack 'em. Woo! All right.
Yeah. All right. Whew. That is a wrap today.
Wrap.
I'm fatigued. Mom fatigued. She catching cramps. I'm just teasing.
I did catch one in my foot though. That's true.
I'm just teasing. So you can put this workout on when you're at the gym. If you need a good leg workout, you can grab your mom, grab your dad, sister, brother, aunt, uncle, by yourself. It really don't matter. I am just here to give y'all the tools that y'all need to do to stay healthy, mentally, physically, spiritually. Okay. Mama, how you feeling?
I feel great. Legs feel like jello, but I feel great.
Yeah. But you good? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So any questions that y'all have, y'all can DM me on my Instagram. That's Coach Jazz Avantí. Also on my TikTok as well. Y'all tap in with me. And Mama, let them know where to find you.
You can find me, The Tracy Renee, on IG and TikTok.
Okay. All right, y'all. It's Jazz Avantí. Love. And we out.